Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will then notify you that I just uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. If you're enjoying my content, please take a second to give me that thumbs up. It helps on the YouTube platform. All right, today I'm really excited. This is the Boxycharm base box for the month of January of 2021. I am so excited that I'm finally starting to get my boxes. I've had the opportunity to watch a couple of girls have already gotten their boxes. For some reason, this month of January, my subscription boxes are coming more on the second half of the month than they did on the first. So I got to share with you some other videos before this month to be able to catch up on some videos of some of the purchases that I did. So if you haven't had an opportunity to see those, make sure to go into my video portion and double check those. But I am so excited to be able to start getting the subscription boxes, because I don't really watch the teasers and I really don't know what's available. But when we get to make our choices on the 11th of January, the add-ons come on. So I'm able to see some of the items that are potentially going to be in the boxes. And I don't want to purchase any of the add-ons in case these are already items that I'm going to be getting in my boxes. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that I will get my boxes in while the add-ons are still alive, so that if I don't get something in my boxes, I'll be able to add those on and share them with you guys here. So really excited, because I had the opportunity to open up the box prior to, because I take a picture for Instagram and I double check to make sure what's on the card is in the box and that everything is in great condition so that we can enjoy and go through all the products here now. So really excited with what I got in my box. Now this is the starter box. This is their base box. It's the one with the pink on the inside. And I do get 2 base boxes on my channel. It started because when I started I was getting Boxycharm way before I had a channel, and my base box I then converted into the Luxe. And then I started seeing that the items that were in the base box weren't always also in my Luxe. So I felt we were missing out, and I felt my channel would miss out for some of the people that didn't get the upgrade. So I was planning on putting it in my box to have it just for that month, for the Luxe month. And then they started doing customization and things like that. So the box always ends up paying for itself. And then if I get duplicates, I then share that with you guys. So this is the first one, so I don't know if we're going to get duplicates in the second one, but there's so many variations in this one that I'm really hoping, keeping my fingers crossed, that I'm going to have more products to be able to share with you on my channel, because that's what my channel is all about. It's to give you some informed videos, test the products out, and then share with you, so that when they come available in add-ons at those fantastic prices, it's ones that I could recommend because they're ones that I've had the opportunity to try. All right, so they've changed their variation system in here. The number that's on here is very long. I'll leave it in the description box down below with all this other information that's on here on the card, which is what I always do. This one is that I got in here. The first item that's on the card is the Violet Voss palette. And if you're a little bit familiar with my channel, you know how much I enjoy so much the Violet Voss formulation. This is, I had no idea this was even going to be an option. And I'm really excited about this one. So the Violet Voss, what they wrote here, they're saying this one is called Olive You Forever Eyeshadow Palette. They're saying this palette was designed with flattering olive hues that complement one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxury formulas, from creamy mattes to mesmerizing metallics and foils. You achieve endless eye looks, from a modern soft sultry to the smoky eye, and that will have you green with envy. They're saying this is a $34 palette, and they're saying this is also a new launch, which is really exciting. I didn't see anybody or hear anybody mention that this is a new launch. So usually that's something that they would really advertise strongly, but they didn't. But Violet Voss for me is an absolute find. And even if you see this available at Boxycharm or with Ipsy, where they even have those fun-sized ones, I travel with those all the time, and you've heard me talk about them over and over again on my channel. So really, really excited to have the opportunity to get this. And it is stunning. It is fall. All right, this is what this looks like here. So I think this is beyond stunning. I will do some swatches at the end in case you've already seen other people swatch. I'll just make sure to do it for us on my channel, but this way we'll swatch it, like I said, at the end. The next item that we got in here is from Farmacy. Now, Farmacy is a brand that I got introduced to by Boxycharm. And one of my favorite products was one of the first products that I had the opportunity to try from this brand, and I have repurchased. And it is their Honeymoon Glow Overnight Serum. And I couldn't scream from the rafters loud enough of how much that product I felt. Within, if not the next day, the following day, I was already seeing benefits on my skin. So whenever we have an opportunity to try any other product from Farmacy, I am first in line now. So this is what this one looks like here. It is the Farmacy Deep Sweep. It's a 2% BHA pore cleaning toner. That's what this like is here, and it is in a glass bottle. And they're saying this is alcohol-free. It's 2% BHA. It will gently exfoliate deep, clean pores and controls oil without overstripping your skin. It's ideal for combo, oily, or acne-prone skin, which is what I am. And this is a $28 value. So it's a nice size. This is 4 fluid ounces, which I think is perfect because it's an easier replenish as opposed to being double the price for an 8-ounce bottle. So really, really excited to have the opportunity to try this. And let's see what this looks like here. Oh, it has one of those stoppers that you pull up, and it comes off like that. And then you have the little opening in here. I'm going to take a little bit on a cotton swab, the cotton round. The thing that you have to make sure, and especially like I do, first of all, it's hard to travel with glass bottles, but if you're traveling by car, it's not a big deal. I always keep those stoppers back in so that you will not have any spillage when it's a liquid container. And this is what it looks like here. And it has just a very, very clean scent to it. So we're gonna see, look. Perfect, perfect. So really, really happy to get that. The next item was one of my choices, and because I get the 2 boxes, I choose one item on one and one on the other. And sometimes it's really hard on the base because the base, they usually give you more than 2 options, where on the premium, they usually just give you the 2, so it makes life a lot easier for me. But this one here, because I'm not a girl who's good at making decisions. So this one here that I chose is their 4-in-1. It's a tinted moisturizer and has broad spectrum of SPF 20. So really excited to see what this color looks like based on what I chose. So this one is the multi-purpose all-in-one broad spectrum sunscreen moisturizer primer and foundation with SPF 20. That's part of the Effortless Bounty routine for a ultra natural looking complexion, and this is a $35 value. So like I said, the choice items always end up being even more than what the cost of the box is. There is a safety seal on here. We'll take that off. I enjoy the Pure line. I got introduced to the Pure line when I lived in Canada. I really enjoy very, very much their powdered foundations, their bronzers. I really, really fell in love with their line. And so I'm really happy that the relationship is so strong with Boxycharm and Pure. And this is really, really fantastic. It goes on like a moisturizer, but it has a good tint to it that if you have any discoloration or all on your face, you'll be able to cover that really, really nicely. So I think that is a perfect, perfect tone. I usually try to choose mediums with neutral undertones, and how you choose your undertone is really simple too. If you, they say if you look good in silver jewelry, you are a pink undertone, which is a cool undertone. If you look good in gold jewelry, they say that that is a yellow undertone. They also say about your veins on your wrist. If they're more blue, you're cool. If they're more green, you're warm. But if you have both, which I do, you're more neutral. So I always choose neutral, and I seem to be okay with that. The next item that we got is from Dr. Brandt, another product that is a fantastic, fantastic product. And I love that he puts these higher end brands in the base box, because majority of us started, well, he only had the base box, but the base box is one that I would never not get. You know what I mean? The premium is one that you can make that decision if it's something you want or you don't. So I love that he really puts like Violet Voss, Farmacy, Dr. Brandt in the base box, which is the $25 a month box. And I think it is an absolute win. This is the triple peptide eye cream, and it came in the full retail box. And then this is what the item looks like here. I also love that if you didn't get any of these products and they're ones that are of interest to you after we go through them, you're able to get them at the add-ons, not at these suggested retail prices. You get them for prices that are usually between 70 to 80% off, which is unheard of. So this one is the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. They're saying this is an $82 value. They're saying it deeply hydrates with peptides powered cream that diminishes all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, to refresh younger looking eyes for all your skin types. So let's see what this is all about. And I love getting eye creams, because to me, I have been wearing eye creams from when I started skincare a long, long time ago. And I feel that it has made the biggest difference for me. I don't feel I have a lot of, lines on the side. I just truly believe that if you take care of your skin, it makes the biggest difference. And to be able to get these type of products that are $82 in a $25 box, enjoy, because you're getting all the ingredients. And then if we're lucky enough that it shows up in future add-ons, like I said, I have picked up eye creams that were of $90 value for like $6, $8, or $9, and I have been enjoying and replenishing. And this is what I do. I take a pea-size amount and I put it on my ring finger, because that's supposed to be your weakest finger. And then I tap in between the two fingers, and then I put it on around my orbital bone. And then this feels like a thicker cream, so I don't think you'll have any of the problems where sometimes when they're not thick, they can migrate really quickly into the eye area, and sometimes you'll end up with tearing. But I always suggest going around the orbital bone and then whatever's left over in the 11 lines in between. So really, really excited to get that. And then the last item that we got in here is from a new brand to me, so I'm always excited to try. And this is the Trust Fund Beauty, and it's called Lipgasm. And they're saying on here, it comes in this beautiful retail box, and this is the gorgeous color that was inside. And this one is called Unprofessional. They're saying it is a sheer hot peach that will tell the world you mean business and that your business is none of theirs. This is an $18 value. So let's do a quick little swatch here. That's what the doe foot applicator looks like there. Oh, this is so Florida. This is so beautiful. This is what that color looks like there. I love these type of colors. Really, they make you happy. Really, really happy to get that. All right, so now I'm just gonna take with a bit of the toner that's still on here, and let's get some swatching done so we can see how gorgeous this palette is and see what ideas we can get when we're looking in there. So the top here is a full mirror, and there's 12 on here, so I'm going to do 4, and I will read you what the colors are here. This one is called All of Me, Wishful, Charmed, and Infinity. And like I said, it's beautiful. I really, truly enjoy the Violet Voss products. I have not been disappointed. Look how stunning those colors are. And that's the one swatch that we put on here. So let me see if I could take some of this off, and we'll go to the second row. Okay. Okay, we have All of You, Wink, Endless Desire, and Infatuated. Really beautiful. Really, really pretty. Very, very excited to get this. I love that when I first started with Boxycharm, we always got palettes in the boxes. That's started my collection to be insane when it came to eyeshadow palettes. And for some reason, there's something fun about trying a new eyeshadow palette. And that's what that looks like here. So I'm going to just put them up side by side so you'll get to see what it looks like in the pan and what it looks like on my hand. And that's what that looks like there. Hopefully that's everything. All right. And that's everything that we got in the box. So we got a full eyeshadow palette. We got a new product to me from Farmacy, which I cannot wait. Pure Tinted Moisturizer, which I have enjoyed and used and recommend. Dr. Brandt, fantastic, fantastic Peptide eye cream, and a gorgeous new lip gloss from a new brand to me that is called Trust Fund Beauty. So like I said, I believe that the subscription box from Boxycharm for $25 is always for me a win. I'm very, very rarely disappointed. And when you don't get something in your box, he now has those add-ons that you can get the eyeshadow palette if you didn't get this one for $12, which I think is an absolute win. So keeping my fingers crossed that I get the other eyeshadow palette in here. But like I said, if I don't, I'm probably going to be picking it up on the add-ons. And what's nice about the add-ons, where it's different than the pop-up, is everything is free freight. So if you just want to try another eyeshadow palette, I will just pick up that and I will get free freight on it, and it will only cost me the $12 plus tax from my state. And that's everything that I got. So once again, this is my first Boxycharm base box for the month of January 2021. And keep your eyes open, because hopefully we'll be getting the rest of the boxes really soon too. I am so excited that this is one of the first sub boxes that I got, and I think every product in here is an absolute win. As always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, it is still really important that everybody continues to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.